Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily find out if your purchased iPhone is original or not original. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you various ways to easily find out if your purchased iPhone is original or not original. So for this, the first method you can do is just open the phone or dialer application and just type *#06#. So now you will see the EID as well as the IMEI numbers. So kindly match the respective IMEI number as well as the EID number with your iPhone package. And if it matches, then good for you. If it does not matches, then there is some issues or may not be the original iPhone. So this is the first method. So for the second method, once again in the dialer or phone application, just type *#07# and click this call button. Now you will see the legal and regulatory informations. So you can click on each of the options and you can check complete details one by one. So you can see the source value also. And below you can see the model with respective countries and the EMC numbers, as you can see here, completely of different countries. So in my case, it's completely original. And the third method you can do is just open the settings and just click on this general, and now just click on this about. Now here you will see all the details of your respective iPhone smartphones. You will see the model number, serial number. So now just copy your respective serial number by tap and hold, and now you will see a option copy. So we have copied the serial number of my respective iPhone. You can minimize it. Now just open the Safari web browser. And now just visit to this website link, checkcoverage.apple.com, and now just scroll down below. Now here you need to paste the serial number which you have copied a few seconds ago. Now click on submit. Now you can see the warranty coverage. So when it was purchased and the warranty coverage or Apple coverage is being expired, as you can see in my case. So below you can see tons more options. What are the facilities available? So in my case, pet repairs and service, phone supports are available. So in my case, my iPhone is original. So if these three things does not matches with your respective iPhone, then it's sure that your respective iPhone may be a fake one, that is not original one. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out if your purchased iPhone is original or not. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.